Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Are you facing the frustration of the latest iOS update not showing up on your iPhone? If you have been eagerly anticipating the new features and improvements that come with an iOS update, it can be disappointing when it doesn't show up on your device. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix iOS update not showing up on your iPhone. Solution 1. Check device compatibility. To install the latest update, you need to have a supporter iPhone. Here are the supporter devices: iPhone XR, iPhone XS and XS Max, iPhone 11 series, iPhone 12 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 14 series and iPhone 15 series, which means it drops support for the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone X. Solution 2. Reset network settings. A stable network connection is essential to make the latest update visible. Try the following steps to reset your network. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm the process. Solution 3. Force restarts your iPhone. Traditionally, force restarting the device is a solution that can address 99% of issues. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo on screen. Solution 4. Fix update not showing up with iTunes. As an official tool, iTunes is not only for backing up and restoring your device, but also for upgrading iOS. Before getting started, make sure the installed iTunes is the latest version. Connect your iPhone to the computer and launch iTunes. Then click on the device button. Next, click check for update. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.